So we made it home safely in the DTR. First time actually driving this thing on the streets. It was good. Had the kids in the back. It was actually it was a nice drive from Gabe's place. I don't know what the plans are for this thing. Maybe we should start building it.
Sell all your cars.
Either sell it or build it. Someone wants to buy it, definitely for sale.
That's for sale too.
Everything.
That's for sale.
Everything.
That's for sale.
For the right price. But today we're gonna go pick up the JZX.
That thing's sold.
Pretty much sold. Update on the Sylvia, that thing's sold too. It has a down payment on it. Yeah, he'll be coming next week to pick it up from Ohio or something. Another guy's coming today from the Bay Area to pick up the JZX. So we're gonna go head over to the land right now and pick that thing up and we'll shoot back here.
Gabe's here, Josh. Happy birthday, dude. Nice one.
It's always a good day when you're selling a car. Ah! On the Barron's Garage complex. The floor is resurfaced. Got the house painted. Cyrus fixed the GTR.
I don't think anyone knows the GTR's broken.
I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, I brought the GTR here to fix it. The AC was blowing, but it wasn't blowing cold. So Cyrus fixed that, and he has a R34 GTR, 33 GTR, a 32. Let's go check them out. Everyone hates 33s, but dude, you can't tell me that doesn't look mean. It looks better than my 32 right now. Hey guys.
How you doing?
Good, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I'll see you
there.
What? It's not a 34. Oh, Tyler's here.
Let's go do this. We got some plans on the agenda. This way.
I'm going this way.
Kota's here. You know what time it is? Time to work on my car. No, we're gonna take his car off the trailer right now. He's gonna rebuild his rack, I guess, for the drift event tomorrow. He's going to a drift event tomorrow, Jordan. You wanna go? My car's not gonna make it because he wasn't here to help me fix it.
You're supposed to fix that before I get here.
I failed.
Our trailer's downgraded. Just
Yeah, Kota's trailer sold. Remember that episode?
We take 48.
yeah, for today.
Always good seeing you.
Now your car's in the sun.
Dude, the sparkly,
Hey, this,
shimmering, splendid.
Does it show on the camera?
dude, this thing is.
didn't even look. You know what's funny?
I would never
She
put
said-
it in a baby thing, bro.
Uber Eats.
No, don't even
You
start.
can leave now.
Just stop.
Alright guys, let's go an hour to drop off some burritos.
Later.
Put in a stroller.
They brought
Who
the
would
wheels
ever put
back.
in a stroller?
Alright man,
Oh. Okay.
verify this.
Okay.
Gonna need you to sign
I
this.
need you to sign this.
I was delivered.
No, it was delivered and I need you to sign here. Ah, I tricked you, bro. You give me all your cars, bro. You guys seen it, it's on camera. Aha, follow me on YouTube now.
Oh, got him. Good thing that's not my signature.
Dude, I got some sick cars now.
Guy.
Ah, we came up, boys.
Came up.
Josh, you tell them about the giveaway? Josh is giving these away. All you have to do is comment your credit card number below. Don't forget the CVC number on the back.
About to take your spot, Jordan. Look at these shots, bro.
Momo, say bye, Snake. Snake's gonna go home now. Say bye, Snake.
What's to play with me?
He wants to play with you.
Yes.
Oh, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Say bye. You're gonna come with me? It's dangerous. You wait there, okay? Say bye, Snake. What happened? Who? Kota? Nice, Kota.
This is what we do now.
Josh, my phone. Josh, stop. I'm gonna get my phone.
Did you drop it?
Yeah, you drove right over it. Stuffed up, but it didn't crack.
Going places. Turn.
Nice.
That hurts so bad. That's pretty fun, dude.
at that posture. Look at Rob's posture. That's pro
Stance,
photography
dude.
posture. Gotta get the angles.
It's either that or stand on the hood.
I can do this.
Triple flip that Finney's do.
How about this one? Have you seen this one?
Where you going, Rob?
Hey man, that was way too cool, dude. Pillars.
Hey, fool, the sunlight's going down, fool.
Come on, man, I got you, bro.